Welcome to Bite-Sized Programming, where we'll venture into different programming topics, functions, or concepts to help you further develop your knowledge in the software development realm. For this bite-sized programming episode, we'll be diving into lists with Python, as they are one of the most used built-in data types in Python. So let's get started. Alright, so what is a list? Well, a list is a number of data items stored in a sequential fashion. Their main function is to store collections of data and data types into a single variable in a zero-index fashion. This means that you can access any data in the list through their index locations starting from 0. When creating a list, you do not have to define the type the list needs to be made of. Instead, you can just start creating a list with a variety of types mixed together without discrimination. This allows a list to be mutable type, where you can change the content of the list without changing the identity of the list itself. So, when should you use a list? Well, you can use a list when you need an ordered set of data to be stored and accessed easily. Since everything in Python is essentially an object, it means you can store everything that Python has to offer into a list. For example, if you want to make a two-dimensional array, lists would be the perfect data structure you can utilize in Python. To wrap up our video, let's summarize what we have learned regarding lists in Python. 1. Lists can contain different data types in the same variable without discriminating against other data types. So you can have a list within a list while having a boolean as one of its items and so forth. 2. The definition of ordered in this case means that the data entered into the list will keep its index location unless it's changed specifically. Just like if you were to create a grocery list of what to buy from first to last, this is what the order will look like, except the list will start from 0 instead of 1. 3. You can access an item in a list by utilizing its index location. Just don't forget we count from 0 instead of 1 in programming. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions on database concepts, DevOps, or anything computer science related, feel free to post them down below. Additionally, if you like this video and would like to see more, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time.